Here we go. Here we go.
Hey, yeah, there we go.
Who's getting the match?
Capture the flag.
Right.
Oh goddamn.
Snipe straight away. Oh, he's got the Norn Fang. There we go, that's why.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, he's good.
Oh god damn it. That killed me.
Find our flag. Spotted the enemy flag carrier.
Binary rifle. Shield back up.
Spotted the
Enemy
enemy
got a
flag
lucky
carrier.
shot. Enemy sniper.
Find our flag. Enemy carrier's been marked.
I got
Find
a
our
shotgun.
flag. Spotted the enemy
Almost got our flag back.
Yeah, almost. Might be easy just to grab their flag.
Yeah.
Flag's been taken. Enemy team scored.
Nope. See who gets flagged in. Oh, got the flag, got the flag. Let's go.
Nice.
Oh, shoot. Okay, got it. Okay, grab it. Grab it. Okay, good.
Yeah, I moved it.
Got it. I moved it again. Here we go.
Defend our
Oh,
Oh man, it's fucking so
oh
close.
it's-
I got it. Yes. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Just need to do that again.
they're right there at our base though.
Yeah.
Oh.
I just need to make that run again. But it's gotta be like I gotta think. Okay, now they're just guarding it. Probably pissed off
Oh,
with the
they've
team.
got the
Like,
arm.
God damn, why don't you get the flag? Why did you keep?
Yeah, they've got the answer there, I reckon.
Yeah. Got a sniper.
Going with a hammer. Taking fire.
Okay, I had the snipers distracted.
Target spotted. Bottom red.
Watch the grenade.
1 minute.
Going loud. Need support on Blue Bridge.
That sniper's still there.
Keep moving.
Oh yeah. What? I was about to freaking snipe there.
Shields are down.
They're all on the left of the base.
Down. Blue 2.
Oh, got him.
Our flag's been taken. Enemy carrier's been marked.
Headshot. Shield recharged.
Nah, no.
Find our flag. Enemy carrier's been marked. 10 seconds. Our flag's been taken.
Oh, yes, we got overtime at least.
Find our flag.
Almost at the flag.
Hostile fire.
Bottom red.
This game's about to end anyways.
Bottom red. Need support on Blue Bridge. Teammate out.
1 minute left.
Lost one. Watch the
Oh, almost had the flag. Oh, I got the good rocket launcher. Oh no, I fell off the cliff. Damn it.
Oh, fuck.
Watch the enemy fire.
30 seconds.
Hostiles in red base. Kill the friendly. Need support on Blue Bridge.
Game over. Defeat.
That was a game.
It was. My controller disconnected itself. Probably about 30 seconds to go, so... Sucks.
Oh, yeah, that does suck. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does.